How to add TD debit card to Apple Pay. In order to do this, you will need to open up the Wallet app on your iPhone and then select the plus sign at the very top. Once you click on the plus sign, from this list, you need to choose debit or credit card, the one that I've highlighted currently. And then it should look like this. You want to press on continue at the bottom. And if you have your physical TD card, then you can just get it close to your iPhone and it's going to automatically scan the chip and add your details. If you don't have your card with you, but instead you have a picture or you have memorized info, you can click on enter details manually at the bottom. It's going to ask for your name and then you will just have to put the card number in this second field. You may have noticed that once I clicked on card number, I'm given the option to scan the card with camera. So if I click on it, it's going to activate my camera. You can't see it on the screen currently, but again, if you have your card close to you, you can just use your camera to scan it, click on the check mark, click on continue at the bottom, go through the prompts, and that's how you add your TD debit card to Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.